Once upon a time, in a quaint little town nestled between rolling hills and whispering forests, there lived two souls destined to intertwine in a love story for the ages. Lila was a free spirit, with wild curls that danced in the wind and eyes that sparkled like stars on a clear summer night. She found solace in the pages of books, wandering through the hidden worlds woven by words. Her heart longed for adventure, for a love that would ignite her soul and set her spirit free. And then there was Liam, a gentle soul with a heart of gold. He was a painter, his canvas a reflection of his dreams and desires. With each stroke of his brush, he poured his passion onto the blank canvas, creating beauty that whispered to the depths of the soul. His heart yearned for a love that would inspire his art, a muse to awaken the dormant colors within him. Fate had a curious way of bringing them together. It was on a misty morning, the air heavy with the promise of rain, that their paths first crossed. Lila was lost in the labyrinth of the town's cobblestone streets, her map crumpled in her hand, when she stumbled upon Liam's quaint little art studio. Intrigued by the colors that spilled from within, she pushed open the door and stepped into his world. Their eyes met, and in that moment, time seemed to stand still. It was as if the universe had paused, allowing their souls to recognize each other across the vast expanse of space and time. From that day forward, Lila and Liam were inseparable. They spent their days exploring the hidden corners of the town, lost in the magic of each other's company. They shared their hopes and dreams, their fears and insecurities, laying bare their souls in the safety of each other's arms. As the seasons changed and the world around them shifted, their love only grew stronger. They danced in the rain, their laughter echoing through the streets. They watched the sunset paint the sky in hues of orange and pink, their fingers intertwined as they whispered promises of forever. But like all great love stories, theirs was not without its challenges. They faced obstacles along the way, moments of doubt and uncertainty that threatened to tear them apart. Yet, through it all, they clung to each other with a fierceness born of love, refusing to let anything come between them. And so, as the years passed and the wrinkles of time etched themselves upon their faces, Lila and Liam remained as deeply in love as they were on that misty morning so many years ago. Theirs was a love that transcended time and space, a love that would live on in the whispers of the wind and the colors of the sunset forever and always.